Hello, today we will guide you through how to update Payhip URL link. In this walkthrough, we'll update the public link for your Payhip store by changing your username in the account settings. This is a quick adjustment, but it's worth doing carefully since it affects how people find your shop online. Start by opening your Payhip dashboard and make sure you're signed into the correct account. If you manage more than one store, double check you're on the dashboard for the store you want to update. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser so the full navigation is visible. Look to the top right of the dashboard for the Account menu. This is where your profile and store options live. Click Account to open the menu, then select Settings. That will take you to the main settings page for your store. On the settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Username. This field controls the handle that appears in your Payhip URL. In other words, your public link is built from the username you set here, so changing it will immediately update your store's web address. Click into the username box and edit the text to the new handle you want. Aim for something short, memorable, and consistent with your brand. Keep in mind that usernames must be unique, so if the one you enter is already taken, you'll be prompted to try a variation. Stick to simple characters, avoid spaces and special symbols, and consider how the handle will look when it's part of a link. Once you've entered the new username, scroll to the very bottom of the page and click Save Settings. Give it a moment to process. You should see a confirmation that the settings were updated. From this point, your Payhip URL will reflect the new username. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you run into an error, it usually means the username isn't available or includes unsupported characters. Adjust it slightly and save again. After saving, open your store in a new tab to confirm the link is working as expected. Because the URL has changed, remember to update it anywhere you've shared it previously, such as your social bios, emails, or product listings. If you manage teams or collaborators, let them know about the new link so everyone is aligned. That's it. You've successfully updated your Payhip URL by changing your username in settings. Thanks for following along, and feel free to replay any part of this guide if you want to review the steps.